Hey, welcome to the channel. This is Derek Opon with DerekOpon.com and Six Figure Business Credit. And this is a full Nav Business Credit Boost walkthrough. I take you through the whole process of setting up Nav for my brand new business. And what's interesting is as I'm setting it up, because of Nav data connection, I was able to get a quick American Express business card, which just came in. And here you see it, right? Boom. Okay, so watch the video, enjoy, like, subscribe, ask any questions, let us know how we can help you get your business credit together. Hey everybody, good morning. This is Derek with DerekOpon.com and SixFigureBusinessCredit.com. And this is the most requested video, and I wanted to make sure that I do the full walkthrough so everybody can see how to register their business and themselves for Nav. I set up a new LLC. So I'm gonna go through the process so you can see exactly how it goes. And I'm setting this business up for fast business credit. So I'm using the Nav hack, right? You could literally, it'll be in the description, and you'll see how this whole process works. So I'm gonna set up my Nav account from point A to point B right now. Watch it go. So this is obviously the Nav site. We're gonna go to create an account. Hold on. So as part of the registration process, they're gonna ask you for all the personal information, including your social security, and they're gonna identify you. And you're actually gonna have to answer some questions that's on your credit report. So be ready for that. And you could skip this step. I won't advise it just for verification purposes. It helps smooth things over for what you're building. So there's another part where they ask you if different businesses are yours. This is not my business. So they ask me, these are not my businesses. So lo and behold, found the business. So right now the business doesn't have any kind of business credit. And they offer you loan terms to see if your business qualify for any money. Not looking anytime soon. Not yet. But let's see what the process will look like. Into next. I'm not here looking for this, so I'm not gonna. So the annual revenue, you could do a projected. So we project 120,000. I don't want to link my bank account to this. So now this is the back end of Nav. Obviously, they have my credit report. So this is the actual the back end where it's showing your personal and business credit. So right now, this business doesn't have any credit. Nothing is here. Right. Your annual income. They give you recommendations. You could link your bank. Um, so they recommended me for American Express Business Gold, which I'm actually I'm gonna look into later today, right? Because I'm a match because I actually have a American Express card already. So now let's see, right? This is this is where the magic sort of happens. This is the payment screen for all of Nav's plan, and this is the free plan. You get the summary and experience summary only. This is the business manager where you get full business credit report, you get personal credit, and let me see, right? And you get 24-hour reports, match factor, power, finance and market, cash flow, one-on-one credit lending specialist, disputes on business credit report. So NAV, this is the main reason why I keep saying NAV is a superpower in business credit. They help you with so many. They offer so much resources that everybody that's interested in business credit should have a NAV account. All right. So what I will do is the business credit boost. So the business boost rather is new, right? New build business credit with all the major bureaus. Business Boost gives you a full business credit report, scores from the bureaus that matter, plus a new positive trade line with all three bureaus to help you build business credit faster and track your process. Let me say that part again, right? Plus a new positive trade line with all three bureaus to help you build business credit faster and track your progress. This is the reason why NAV is worth every single penny of the $40 a month, because what it gives you is a two-part killing two birds with one stone. One, they're monitoring all your business credit reports, right, to make sure so you can see when your scores are improving, but they also becoming a trade line for your business, which is huge for anybody interested in business credit. This is why I believe NAV should be number one. And anybody who's interested in business credit for a trade line, your first one should always be NAV. So here are the payment options. You could pay $40 a month, or you could pay $95 a quarter, 95.98 a quarter. So a quarter is 4 months, right? So 40 times 4, 160. Is that right? 40 times 4, forgive me for not knowing math. 40 times is 120. So you say, so a quarter is 3 months. I'm sorry. A quarter is 3 months. 4 quarters a year, 12 months. So you save roughly $25 if you do the quarterly, which I would do. And then the third option is the loan builder, which what they offer that's different is that they actually help score used to pre-screen SBA loans, right? So they actually help you look for funding. And since I'm building business credit, I'm not looking for funding through that process because that process usually requires you to personally guarantee the loan, and I'm not interested in that. So it's the business boost for me, and I'm gonna just do the quarterly because I know I'm gonna need it for a few months, and let me go through the process. So I just signed this business up to the Business Boost account, and this is everything that comes with it. Personal and business credit alert, match factor, finance and market, cash flow insights, one-on-one dispute errors on business credit profiles, full service identity restoration with dedicated identity specialist, $1 million identity theft protection, up to 5 businesses credit reports, quarterly, lost wallet replacement, build business credit with trade line reporting. And then go see right now if I have anything reporting. I just have my personal reporting. And we will see as this goes on. I'm going to literally build this whole business out with business credit using a 6-figure business credit system. So this is how you actually go and build and start your nav.com account. And there's a link in the bio for anybody who's interested in starting and building their business credit and starting with the Nav trade line. So it will be there. And once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to go through this process with me. But this is the complete process to your Nav business credit account. Thank you.